I call for a Martian Dino. Oh yeah, Kion won that one for sure. Martian Dino. Martian Dino. Vitani, you don't stand a chance. You haven't seen everything the Roar can do. I don't need the Roar, Kion. I'm fierce enough to lead the Lion Guard without it. Lead without the Roar? Only one who was willing to let go of the Roar completely and truly master it. You're right, Vitani. Everyone! By choosing to face me, even without the Roar, Vitani has proven to be the Pride Land's fiercest. Vitani and her team have won! They are the Pride Land's new Lion Guard! Yes! Vitani, as leader of the Lion Guard, you'll need the Mark of the Guard. And the Roar. The Roar? Kion! Ascari! Yes, Kion. You have done well. Ascari? He was the leader of the first Lion Guard. Olga, you seeing this too? Shh. By letting the Roar go, you have truly mastered it. Yes, Ascari. But I'm not leader of the Lion Guard anymore. Why would I need the Roar?
There is another place that could use the Roar's help. The Tree of Life.
Everyone, want to join me helping Queen Renee in the Night Pride?
Yes! Affirmative!
Hola!
Yeah! Yup! Tree of Life, here we come!
But Kion, what does it mean to have mastered the Roar?
Watch!
Heavy Kabisa. Why? Why even trust me at all? They say the guard is my call. But then come tell me I'm wrong. Now what should I do? And who do I turn to? Now everything feels so upside down. Deep down, maybe I knew it was way too good to be true. With all my friends looking up to me, some leader I turned out to be. Kion! Heavy Kabisa, are you? Yes, Kion, I am your grandfather. Mufasa, I've heard a lot about you, and I've been watching you. You're about to embark on a great journey, Kion. Leader of the Lion Guard. I'm not sure Dad's gonna let me lead the Lion Guard. He's worried that I can't handle it. Kion, Simba is worried, but he's worried because he loves you. Being leader of the Lion Guard will not always be easy. Then maybe Dad's right. Maybe I'm not ready to lead or use the Roar. I'm not even sure I can control it. First it's super loud, then it's just a squeak. And I don't want to end up like Scar. Don't be afraid, Kion. Trust your instincts. The Roar will be there for you when you need it. And so will I. until the Pride Land's end. Grandfather Mufasa, don't go yet! Trust my instincts. The road will be there for me when I need it. Maybe my journey is far from done. They need a leader, and I'm the one. So now it's time for them all to see the lion I was born to be. It is time to take the lead on my own. It is time for something bigger than I've ever known. No need to wonder, the choice is done. Now I believe I truly am the one. So is it time? Is it time? Yes, it is time. Nothing. Yes, it's too bad you lost the Marshadano. Too bad? Is that all you gotta say about it? One battle doesn't lose a war, my reptile friend. Now you're calling me a reptile? Give me one reason why I shouldn't eat you right now. I give you all the reasons in the Pride Lands. But first, let me show you something very, very special. What kind of special? You'll have to see it to believe it. This way. So, what's this great thing I'm supposed to see? A volcano? I am much more than a volcano. What? Welcome to the Outlands, Kiburi. Yeah, welcome! What's going on? Don't worry, Kiburi. You're all friends here. I have plans for you and your crocodiles. Big plans indeed. They thought I was defeated, but very soon you'll see the shark rise from the flames so triumphantly. I never thought I'd have this chance. Oh, how long it's been. A second opportunity, and this time I'll win. For I have a plan. Enlighten us now. Yes, I have a plan. You wanna know how? Follow my lead, that's all you need. I have a plan. We gather every animal in the outlands. We'll unify them all under my lead. And once our league is assembled, we will be victorious. It'll be glorious. All the Pride Land's lush terrain will again be my domain. For I have a plan. You know it's true. Yes, I have a plan. That's what we'll do. Follow my lead, that's all you need. I have a plan. Yes, I have a plan. You know the scheme. I have a plan. Lots of steam. Follow my lead, that's all you need. Yes, I have a plan.